part-time. Part-time. Mobile life. And create my wall. Here we go. Space. Good. Okay. Sorry, I'm taking it early. Moving on. Really, you're great. I'm so good. Oh my gosh, look what's on the screen. What a great phone. I'm gonna tap it. Hard time. Hathaway. What is this, the Hands of Hathaway? No, dude. Alright. I'm Jay off. Thank you for calling. Oh my gosh, there's a machine gun on the floor. There is a machine gun on the floor. Shut up. I want to get that machine gun. Let's play this down. Make it. Okay, I won't make it bad. Okay. I got the gun. Okay, sorry. He was innocent. Bang, bang, bang. Ha! Right onto the table. What? Oh, I thought that was me. Jay, awesome. Oh my gosh, money. Thank you. Hey, you have money too? I want it, gimme. Put it in your pocket. He has money too. What happened? He just basically took me away so I can keep the money. Harold Gnome. Okay. Hey. Soccer ball. What? I was gonna get that. Why is it freezing? It's all freezy. Money. Get that shit out of my face. Ah! Now I got $100. I'm lucky. I'm like, oh, okay. Look at Eric Rowan. Did you see Eric Rowan with his sheep mask? Wait, is that my deer? I thought it's damn that. Oh my goodness. Look what I found. Oh my gosh, let me not do that. I'm trying to stay healthy. Did I just pee? What did I do? What did I do? What? My cigarette was in there. What did I do, you idiot? Let go. Oh, kill! Out of nowhere. Wait, I'm gonna beat your ass up now. Ew! It's Heckle Bloodley, Seth Rollins, Medea, Sergeant bitch ass, beer, fucking beer. What the fuck? What am I drinking beer for? Oh my shit. It's the 429. You want a piece of 429? Oh my god! I fucked him up. Oh my god. Thank you. You say he's calling me awesome. Yeah. Yeah, that's what 429. What? What, bitch? What, bitch? What, bitch? Fuck you, bitch. No. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna kill your ass. I'm gonna kill you, dumbass. See where we get some? Get your ass up, punk. Oh. You're gonna get some. You're gonna wish you had. Don't close yourself. Fuck, I was gonna kill him. Ah, I need to get to sleep. Let me sleep. What? Get this shit off my
Hundreds
screen.
of dishes, a variety of restaurants, all for free. Cooking
Get this shit
first,
off my
play
screen.
now.
Get this shit off my screen. How do I get up? Never fucking mind. Bitch. The 4K9. He's chasing the 4K9. You want a piece of the 4K9 or what? Hey, don't mess with 4K. Oh my god! You heard yourself. 4K, hurt yourself. You're lifting. Is that a fucking sword? Fuck! I don't need to get that. I just saw a fucking sword. Fucking sword. What? Bitch! Hey, you fucking the wrong one. No, fuck you. I will kill you, bitch ass. I will kill you, bitch ass. Oh my gosh, look at the fucking screen. What is this coming from? No! Bitch! Look at that. I mean, maybe I'll chat with them after this video. I'm gonna kill you, bitch ass. You know that? Bitch. Bitch. Call me crap. Oh my shit! Seth Rollins, give me that banana. Fuck you, Seth. You're not reunited. Ah! J Security, oh my god. He started it. He the one that said I look like fuck. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna kill you bitches. No. Damn it. You know what? I'm gonna have to end the gameplay here because I got arrested. So what the fuck? It wasn't me. Yeah, true. They only ever complain when they lose. K9 is black. Oh fuck, Raw? Monday Night Raw, bitch. Judges watching Monday Night Raw. Tomorrow is Monday. Everybody's favorite day of the week. Bitch. Okay, everybody. Hard time. Oh my fuck. Officer cut. Bitch. Officer my ass. Peace. Be more to come. Stay tuned.